Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fancia. So today guys, I'm gonna be doing a very easy ponytail tutorial video, this very one. Yeah, so if you're interested, you definitely want to keep watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the post notification bell to always get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you guys for joining me today.
Seduction.
Okay, so guys, what I'm doing right now, I'm straightening my hair, making sure that the front of my hair is straightened because I always like the front of my hair to, be slick. You get it? So what I'm doing next, I'm using my airbrush to brush my hair backward, and then I'm gonna pack it. So I'm adding some glue to my forehead so I can stick the lace to it. So I'll wait for a while and allow the glue to dry down a little, and here's the lace I'm gonna be adding. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and stick that to my forehead. I'm using a blow dryer to dry it up. So I'm gonna head now to pat my C part. That is supposed to be a C part, I guess, but I don't know. I didn't really spend too much time doing this anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna pat that just like this. Now what she's doing right now, me. So I'm gonna spray some got2b glue to my lace just to make it stick properly to my hair, because you don't want it to pull off when you're going out to get it. So yeah, this will help it stick and also help it slip.
Seduction. 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 Seduction.
I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other part, and you really want to take your time to do this to lay it properly on your hair. And before you start doing this, make sure the first part you've already laid, make sure you pack it to your hair, like you pack it back before you start this one so that it doesn't pull off. So guys, take your time to really lay this on your hair. And you see, I'm adding some gold to be glue and also drying it at the same time just to make it stick before packing everything to the back. And yeah, I'm just adding some black gel to the back of my hair and also to the side. So after all, I'm gonna use my blow dryer and dry everything together. I'm gonna dry everything and make it look strong, and then I'm gonna add my extension and I'm gonna wrap that around my hair like this.
Seduction.
Okay, I think we're done, but I'm just gonna straighten the hair extension. Yeah, I'm gonna straighten that up. And so guys, we are done. Yeah, so I did a makeup tutorial for this video, and I'm gonna be dropping that after this video. So yeah, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And this is the finishing. I hope you liked the video, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think about this video on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe guys. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.